For this module, you'll want to open up the playground file entitled lesson1_strings. And then, of course, you'll want to check in your editor's menu that down here at the second to the last item says Show Raw Markup. If you see a bunch of green comments, you're going to want to click Show Rendered Markup. There's a lot of fun to be had playing with strings, and Swift strings are no exception. Earlier, you saw strings defined as string literals, and you also saw Swift-style string concatenation. Because Swift's string class is built from Unicode scalar values, one can type emoji directly into string literals, like this. Oh yeah, to bring up the emoji keyboard like that, I do Control, Command, Spacebar. And then I can choose the heart. Another time-saving feature of Swift strings is support for string interpolation. In other words, inserting values of variables and expressions directly into string literals. Let's say we have a statement about how much a particular dog eats per month. And remember, you can always see the result of the executed code over here in the sidebar. Now let's say instead of Lulu, we want to know how much Ferris the Springerdoodle eats per month. Here I've declared dog name as a variable, and then I've inserted it into my string. And over here on the right, you can see that the string evaluates to Ferris eats 25 pounds of dog food per month. We can add expressions to our string as well. Let's say we're really only paying attention to how much Ferris eats per day. This monthly consumption rate can actually be evaluated as the string is built. And of course, I do that by typing backslash and then parentheses, and then between the parentheses, I put the expression I want to evaluate. So pounds per day times days per month. And again, you can see the output hasn't changed much. Now our doggy diet string is much more customizable. For example, if we want to calculate the pounds per month eaten by little Frankie here, all we have to do is change the value of pounds per day, reassign the dog name variable, and then reevaluate our doggy diet string. And then over here, we can see that little Frankie eats 7.5 pounds of dog food per month.